trying to take care of some business with
Housekeeping?
Yes.
So is this Ms. Denby, right?
Yes.
Good morning, Ms. Denby. Ma'am, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, man.
The complainant and the defendant are in a dating relationship. On August 4th, 2024, officers were dispatched in reference to a family disturbance. Dispatch heard a verbal disturbance over the phone. This defendant stated that they were out celebrating complainant's birthday. When they had a verbal disagreement, the defendant left the location in an Uber. The defendant was on the porch with her daughter drinking wine when the complainant arrived. Complainant went up to the defendant, took complainant's phone, placed it in his pocket. Defendant attacked complainant by scratching his face. Complainant placed the phone on the table and went upstairs. Defendant followed him while yelling. Complainant barricaded himself in the child's room, and defendant continued to bang on the door and yell obscenities at the complainant. Complainant opened up the door. The defendant charged at him and continued to attack. Complainant was able to move defendant out of the way and go downstairs. The complainant felt pain on his face and called 911, and the officers saw visible injuries on his face.
So alcohol was a factor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Denby, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming any kind of dope or alcohol, I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand? Tell me about the relationship, Mr. Ballingy. Is that something?
They've got 3 children, 11, 9, and 6.
Does he want to have contact with
He
her?
does still want to have contact. He's here this morning. He's already met with the
Okay.
deputy prosecutor.
Okay. You've verified that?
Yes, Your Honor. David came up. This is what David was talking to me about a second ago.
So, Ms. Denby, let me see. I am entering in what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection that identifies Britton Denby as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon. This usually comes with a residential restriction, meaning that you cannot go within 200 feet of the residence. I will take that off. So my wishes always are to honor the wishes of the complaining witness in any case. And if they want to have contact with you, I will allow that. But I am ordering you not to have any threatening or harassing contact with him. I don't know what kind of relationship you have with him. If it's the kind that you're constantly butting heads, that you're constantly fighting, that you can't get along, then I would be very careful, because the slightest thing you do will land you in jail. Understand what is threatening or harassing doesn't matter what you think. I could care less what you think. It's what they perceive. So can conduct alone violate this? If I go like this, is that threatening or harassing? It most certainly is. So that's why I'm telling you, be careful. There's a lot of vindictive people here. There's a lot of mean people in this world. And there's a lot of people that will hold it against you. So you're the one that's gonna be on the losing end of that. Do you understand? No threatening, harassing, no weapons, no alcohol, no dope. And as long as you can abide by that, you'll be fine with us. Do you have any questions? Okay. So for now, what we'll do is I'll have you meet with Victoria to sign a reset. You will eventually meet with Rachel for your bond conditions. After that, you guys will be free to go. One more thing. I am going to waive your appearance because you have a lawyer, so you don't have to waste your time coming to court. But you must stay in touch with Mr. Ballingy. He will tell you if and when you have to come back to court. If he tells me that he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games and not responding to phone calls, text messages, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. All right? Okay, guys. Good luck.